Kogi State is here. SIG Kogi State.
Sir, we are here again. And this time around for another very serious business. Any road that is smooth and good, you always want to pass through it over and over again. All roads to NUC, especially from Kogi State, is smooth. And hence, we are passing through it as many times as possible. In the life of this administration, we are here for the second time for a very historic reason. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, our chairman here, sir, Kogi State, as you are aware, education is our heritage. Education is what we are proud of, both within the states, within the country, and across the world. When I came on board, we had only one state university, the current Prince Abubakar University, Prince Abubakar Audu University, situated in Ayumba, Kogi East. In this our second term, we ran to you. We ran to you and you granted us an approval. And we established Confluence University of Science and Technology in Osara, Kogi Central. But Your Excellency, sir, something is still missing. We have a senatorial district, Kogi West. Even though Lokoja, which is the part of Kogi West, is hosting Federal University in Kogi West, which is in Lokoja. But we're still desirous of fairness, equity, and justice, to ensure that every part of the state is carried along as far as the educational system of the state is concerned. So we deem it necessary that this age-long desire of our brothers in Okunland, who today are proudly producers of over 600 professors in this country, and lacking in a university. I read it in history that our late sage, Pa S.B. Awemi, right from the times of our great late Sardauna of Sokoto, have been agitated for a university in Okunland, but was never granted. So we deem it necessary that by the power of God Almighty and your magnanimity, yourself and your management team, we desire to establish a university in Okunland. So we set out and immediately set the machineries and the ball rolling. We ensure that merit is our watchword. We set up a team to quickly advise us and help us work out modalities and every other thing that we need to establish that university. And we identified Professor Olu here to lead the team. And the last time we invented a new lexicon here, speed of light. Huh? Speed of spirit instead of speed of light. So we had then, within the speed of spirit, that was still guiding us for the establishment of COSTED. So we brought it to the establishment of the university in Kaba. And then Prof was able to come up with a draft university law, academic brief, and the master plan. So we sent the University Law Bill to the House of Assembly under the leadership of the Speaker, Right Honorable Aliyu Yusuf. And within that spirit of spirits, we had the university law passed. I assented to it again with that same spirit, the spirit of the spirit. And then we have the three documents here to be presented before you today, so that within the spirit, the spirit of the spirit, we will have that recognition and approval. And then within that same spirit, we will establish a brand new university, satisfying the age-long desire of our people, and I know that our ancestors will be happy wherever they are. I want to assure you that this is beyond politics. My own politics is practical. Whatever I say, I do. And I want to promise that we will set aside the resources whereby both recruitment, salaries, recurrent expenditures or overhead, and infrastructure for the new university, minimum another 1 year we shall set it aside, so that when you grant us, we will be able to start immediately. I want that within this my time, the first set of university students in that new university should be admitted, and their matriculation, first matriculation, I want to attend it before I hand over to my successor by the grace of God. Our chairman, sir, you are here to present the various documents, as earlier mentioned. Thank you very much, sir.
So in a few moments, we will know what the outcome will be.
And the 265th university, respectively, in the Nigerian university system. The National Universities Commission hereby pledges its support to the new university. We also enjoin His Excellency and the Kogi State government to take full advantage of the professional and technical advice that the Commission is statutorily required to provide on the establishment, funding, and operation of the university. By a copy of this letter, which I signed earlier, the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, JAM, the Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TET Fund, and the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, are being notified of the establishment of the university. We shall by tomorrow send copies of these letters to these three organizations for their records and for their necessary action. I wish to congratulate His Excellency and the good people of Kogi State on the establishment of Kogi State University, Kaba. Please accept the renewed assurances of my highest consideration. Thank you and congratulations.
Let me arrange my parachute, sir. Zubi. The opportunity, to make this history in our lifetime. Right, and I appreciate all the media for giving us the opportunity and amplifying this success of ours today. God bless all of you. Thank you.
So you talk about fairness and equity.
Court. I like court.